I feel like a legend, I'm living like a king. I guess I be feeling like I'm living me a dream. And my life is like a dream to you, that's what it seems. But when I come at you, see, I ain't never spitting clean, cause my mind's dirty. And these niggas, they still ain't hurt me. I'm telling you, bow down, cause you bitches is never worthy. I telling you hoes that these Atlanta bitches thirsty. And down there in Florida, yeah, they bout the same. I got a few bitches down there still calling my name. I'm like, God damn, low key, baby, my motherfucking city. Man, some days I be feeling a little pretty. I'm feeling a little petty right now, so I'ma go low. I'ma go real, real low, just like your motherfucking hoe. When she down to her nose, hit that motherfucking dick. And I'm telling you, she take that and she gets so sick. Then she turn around and fuck the click. Goddamn, she just train action. I beat the pussy up, he beat it up. That's satisfaction. To her, she don't see shit, nothing but a dick. And I'm like, bitch, talk about me, bitch, you need to quit. I'm on my shit, I'm on my grind. I hustle all the time. I get high, I drink a little bit, and I speak my mind. See, I'm trying to speak my peace. Y'all gon' unleash the beast. If y'all niggas keep fucking with me, y'all gon' face fucking defeat, man.
Dang. That was kind of deep, dog. Is that your story? You had to tell him.
That's what I had to say.
Had to hit him in that cerebell.
Low key, baby, all day, every day.
Key, man.
Never change.
Y'all already know.
Different names, Shadow J, you know, all different types of shit going on.
Straight with it, no trip.
Trip J, Johnson.